S4GA provides a complete range of spare parts to ensure long-term reliability and ease of maintenance for your LED PAPI 6.6 amp system. The following components are available as official spare parts and can be ordered individually based on your project needs. 36 mm aluminum leg. A frangible connector. A baseplate for concrete installation. A single projector frame. If you are using a redundant configuration, a dual PAPI frame will be supplied instead. Front protective glass. PAPI PCB. A heater module. Set of connectors, consisting of 2, 3 or 4 pins for PCB and PCU. Signal or communication wires. Absorbers or limiters. An LED module with heatsink or an NVG LED module with heatsink, depending on your PAPI configuration. A tilt sensor. Projector housing. Projector cover. Control box with either status LED or status screen variant. A 1 or 2 cabled power control unit, depending on your device's configuration.